Okay guys, what's going on? Smart Tech Tom here today. So here's the deal. I have this box. Plastic, hard case. It has cutouts and it doesn't really work for any of my gear. So I was going to toss the box and then I decided, you know what? I need a drone box for my drone. So the box that it comes with holds the spark fine and a couple of batteries, but some of the accessories, I don't have enough room, especially for the remote or the controller. And as you add accessories, maybe some prop guards, gimbal protectors, or even the parabolic mirrors, things like that, extra batteries, you want to have more room to be able to store your gear. And you like to put all your drone stuff in one case, right? So today we're going to show you how to fix that. Kaizen foam. There you go. Boom, boom. Kaizen foam. First thing we're going to do is take out the foam out of the box, just like that. Set this to the side. Now obviously the outside diameter of this is what we need for the box. So what we're going to do is cut this out. Now what I'm using here, it's called Kaizen foam by FastCap, and I believe you can get it on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below where you can pick some of this up for yourself. The black 57mm Kaizen foam. So for tools, it could be tools in a toolbox, tool chest, arts and crafts, whatever, anything that you want to cut out slots and put tools or items in, be held for storage and keep them nice and protected. So what this is it has layers and layers of Kaizen foam stuck together. What we're going to do is we're going to cut down and then pull up layers, leaving the bottom layers. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and line this up to the corner. So it comes in 2 foot by 4 foot sections, so that way you have plenty for a number of uses, a number of drawers. I'm going to go ahead and line this up just like so. And we can go ahead and cut that out. I heard you can use electric knife. They have the two knives that go together if you have an electric knife. If not, just an X-Acto knife that you can extend the blade out quite a bit. So we're going to go ahead and just follow the line across the top and then down. Take it a little bit deeper each time. Now I'm going to go ahead and extend my blade and try to get a deeper cut. Voila! First of all, let's just go ahead and take a look and see if this fits. Made it nice and snug, nice and tight, so it fits. Now, we're going to go ahead and get all the items together. We're going to lay them all out, little shadow board style, and then we're going to line them out. So now that we have a lot of the accessories, we have the drone itself, we have the controller, so now we just have to figure out the placement. Okay, so first of all we're going to figure out how to lay it out. So not exactly sure, do I want this to go down sideways? I think I want it to go in probably right under here. Maybe I want the drone side. Boom. Definitely going to need the prop cards. I don't use them all the time, but there's times when it's advantageous to use them, especially if you're indoors, bumping into walls, or possibly outdoors with a lot of obstructions or something going on, or maybe even save you from getting hung up in some trees. So definitely want those. I don't know if I want it, shove them down, go like this, kind of like this this look. So let's go ahead and start tracing some of this out. Now they have what they call needle nose or long nose pens that you can actually buy, that you can get right down onto the edge when you're tracing these out. I'm going to, unfortunately I don't have it, I'm going to do my best to kind of eye around it and tilt it in. So now that we've traced out all the lines, we're going to go ahead and start by cutting out some of the lines, and we're going to start by just starting the top before we start going deeper. So go ahead and just trace it out. Now you want to make sure you have a knife that is, the blades are sharp. In some tight corners you might want to just zig and zag as you cut this out. So once you start it and get it cut out, or at least you score across the top and break the surface so it's nice and straight, you can go ahead and extend it the length basically of the device. So depending on how far you want it in, I actually want mine probably right about to there because I want to be able to grab it. I want to stick it out just a tad. So we're going to go ahead and take the drone down to this height. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now. You're going to dig down with your fingers down to the bottom, and we're going to slowly start just peeling back the layers. I can feel it all the way down to the bottom. We're peeling back the layers. It'd be nice if it was all the same level. So you want to make sure you're digging into the same layer and not going down into multiple layers. And you can really feel it. You can feel it when you go through a layer and when you're at a layer, and then you can just kind of rub your finger back and forth as you pull up some of these layers and try to make it as flat as possible. Now there's ways to flatten it out when we're done, but it's always good to make it as flat as possible in the beginning, so less work after, and maybe you won't even have to do anything afterwards. Because afterwards you have to, a lot of guys use the copper pipe with a fitting at the end and heat it up and go down and just smooth out the bottom. We're going to try to get away from doing that. Boom, voila. There you go, little drone. So now the bottom, it's not the greatest. There's a few layers, it's certain different heights, so you can go in and maybe, if you can, pull out a layer or two and kind of clean it up a little bit. And I'm pulling out just 1 or 2 layers at a time just to try to level it out at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. So let's see if this works. Here we go, the moment of truth. Nice. Fits right inside. I like it. And with the top on it, nice. I actually like it. That looks great. Let's go ahead and dig out the rest. Probably gonna have the knob sticking out, but I want to go as deep as the body. So we're gonna start somewhere in the middle and work our way to the end, zigzagging back and forth. Again, we're going to work it this way. That way we can get an up and down edge right at the corner here. If you start like this, you go down and you miss a little bit. So definitely want to start in the middle and then work your way to the corner, making sure that your blade is straight up and down, and you go right into the other cut that you made. Don't try to speed up the process. Just embrace the process. Again, I'm going to dig my fingers all the way down to the bottom and just start digging in, and you can feel it going along the layer, and just keep working. And there you have it. Take the controller, slide it in, take the drone, slide it in, just like so. There you have it, guys. Cut out the rest, and voila. Guys, we got it dialed in. We're going to take some wipes. We're going to clean the box. It's a little dusty on the outside, so we're going to clean it up a little bit. Once everything's dry, I'm going to attempt, let's see if I can recreate the DJI logo here to match the red font. I'm going to go ahead and color that in with red to match the red font. Now I'm going to use black. There you have it, guys. Actually, I'm going to put another slot in here for another battery, maybe even two. But there you go. I have my guards, props, remote control, the drone itself, tablet holder, a couple of gimbal covers, and the parabolic Wi-Fi extender. So there it is, the do-it-yourself drone case by using Kaizen foam that you just cut out. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell, that way you'll be updated on all our upcoming videos. So until next time, leave a comment down below. Again, check down in the description for any links to some of these products. We will see you again the next time. Peace out.